quick question. Why does Merry Christmas sometimes feel like a threat? You know the vibe. Lights are on, music is playing, and your nervous system is like, ah, yes, danger. Family dinners, that one relative who needs to ask about your life choices, and suddenly you're not an adult anymore. You're 12, defending your entire existence over mashed potatoes. And of course, everyone says, relax, it's Christmas, which is basically the fastest way to not relax. You smile, you nod, you mentally plan your escape route. Very festive, very magical. So if Christmas feels stressful, congrats, you're normal. Protect your peace, and maybe sit far from that cousin this year.